Today, I'm going to be doing some alterations on this shirt. I really like it a lot, and it's a cold shoulder shirt. But the only thing is, these sections here don't cover my bra strap. And sometimes my bra strap comes down. Now what I could do is attach these two sides together, right? But I don't like it like that either because I like some kind of coverage on my arm. So what I'm gonna do is I have this other top right here, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off some of this part. I'm gonna sew it to the other shirt. Snip it off. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It's see-through, so. And now I'm going to decide where I want to put it. So, I kind of like it. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a bit thicker, like that. So, as you can see here, I did try putting a band on here, and I tried adding even more material, but it just wasn't big enough. So, I think the first thing I'm going to do is attach this onto here. Okay? And I'm going to be using thread. Oh, there's 2 needles. I'm not an expert sewer. But I have sewn in the past. And you just want to get yourself going. Putting a few holes. Okay? And then you want to go to the next side, next spot, making sure that your fabric is folded over on the other side. Okay, so that's how it looks so far. And I'm going to keep going. Okay, so I've gotten down to the end here after doing all of this part. And I'm going to cut it off. Well, first, what I did was I made a little knot. So I put in my needle, and then I take your loop and put it down here so it goes through, and then it becomes a knot. And then you can take your thread out and you don't have to worry about it unraveling. Okay, so now we're going to remove this little bit of thread, and then we're going to take a new piece, and you want to make sure that it's fairly long because we're going to be cutting it in half. So now you're going to cut your thread, and then you're going to thread your needle. And a good way to do this is hold your fingers like so and put the needle down against your fingers and try and get the thread to go through the hole of the needle, the middle, the eye. And then once you do that, you're just going to pull your thread down like so. And then you grab hold of this part and you make a knot. Now I'm sure there's better ways to do this, but this is the way I've always done it. And it's worked out. Okay, so now you've got your little knot down there and your two threads, so it's double thread. Okay, and now you're just going to continue on, and when you want to start from behind so that that knot is on the inner side and no one will see it. So I'm just going to push my needle through and then come up the other way. And you just want to keep doing that. You want to try and do it straight, like a straight line. Just be careful because the needle is sharp, so you don't want to poke yourself. Now here I pulled it too quickly, so it turned into a knot, but you can undo that. And here's how it looks so far. So I'm just make a few more stitches. Okay, and then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to grab some like so, and then I'm going to make that knot thing. And I'm going to do it again. Okay. And then I'm going to cut it off. You don't want to lose your needle, so you just stick it on there. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Now I just gotta make sure, because it's going on this side, right? Okay, now. Okay, I'm just gonna try it on, just to see how it looks so far. So as you can see, on this side, it doesn't cover very much, and sometimes my bra will come down like that, so I want to have a little bit more secureness. And on this side, it does look better, but I mean, I feel like you're still gonna see my bra, but I'm gonna have to decide like, should I do something like that? You'll still see my shoulder, or have a little bit of that. I don't know if I like it like that. I think I'm just gonna fold it over a couple of times like that. What do you think? Or does it look stupid? I don't know. I think it looks okay. Like, no one would know, would they? I mean, we'd know, but I probably could get away with it. I'm going to keep going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it around one time, right? And that'll cover up all of the stitches that I did as well. Okay, and then I'm going to cut this part off. Okay, and now I'm going to thread my needle again. Okay. Okay. So this is what it's going to look like. Not too shabby. Okay, and now we're going to do the other side. Okay, so here's how it looks now with the two sides covered. Okay, so I'm going to try it on and see how it looks. Okay, so here I'm wearing it. You can still see my bra. I don't like that part. I don't know. Let me see this side. Yeah, you can still see my bra. How am I going to do this? How am I going to fix it? Don't wear a bra with this shirt? That could be a solution. I mean, it's not terrible. It looks good. You just can still see my bra. So it's not doing what I want it to do. But I could attach it here, I guess. So I decided to add another layer of the see-through material to the strap area so that it would make it a bit thicker, a little bit wider, and then hopefully it would cover my bra strap. And because I have sewn before, this was pretty easy to do. All I did was the same process. I cut off some material, I added it to the section, and then I used my needle and thread to sew the piece on. And I did this on both sides. And it's kind of therapeutic sewing because you can think of other things while you're doing it and just trying to make sure everything is straight and aligned. I'm going to go try it on again. Please work this time. So here's how it looks. You can still see. There's nothing I can do. Except maybe wear a black bra and then you won't be able to see it. It's not that bad. Looks okay. And if I put my hair in front, you can't see anything. I like it. And here's how it looks like with a black bra on. Oops. At least it looks a little better. Want to see how I fixed another shirt with hot glue? Click on the next video.